The Polish fans are living up to the hype. It's pretty crazy here. What a great atmosphere. This is awesome. Tonight we are super excited. We're going to our first European football match. We've never done something like this before. We hear the fans here in Poland are amazing. We're going to the local team called Lechia here in Gdansk. We went and bought our tickets yesterday. They were only $8 a pop. We had no idea about the seating, so we asked the person working where we should go for the best environment. So she recommended our tickets, only $8. How great a deal is that? Before we head to the stadium though, we're gonna head to a local pub, get some drinks before the game starts.
It's giving Slytherin, but we're gonna roll with it. I just need the 360 and then I'll have a wand.
Stupefy. That's why it looks better on me, because it's Slytherin, and
oh, yeah,
you are definitely a Hufflepuff.
That was rude.
Nothing wrong with that.
I'd rather be a Slytherin.
All right, guys, what house is Sammy? What do you guys think?
Real quick, after traveling through Europe for the past few months, we've become so curious about our heritage, which is why we're so excited to be partnering with MyHeritage for this video. MyHeritage is a DNA kit that tells you where your heritage is from, and it connects you with people that you could be related to.
MyHeritage is super easy to use. They send you everything you need. All you have to do is swab your inner cheek, place it in this tube, get it all packaged up, and send it off to the mail, and you receive results by email, which we just received. I'm super excited. I think I might be some Irish, maybe some Scandinavian, maybe?
You think Scandinavian?
Maybe.
Okay. I don't know. I felt like I had a few people in Poland tell me I looked Polish, so
that's true.
Maybe I could be Polish.
Quite a few.
All right, we have the computer here. We have our results. So let's open up this email. Let's do yours first. Thomas is 42% English.
Oh, English. 42%? Look at the Scandinavian. 32. I was right about something.
32% Scandinavian?
Only 20% Irish, Scottish, and Welsh. So not nearly as much Irish as I thought. Look at me being all English. And a little Baltic. Hey, 6% Baltic.
Okay.
Why do you seem disappointed? I'm not as Irish as you wanted me to be.
No.
Mostly English, I guess.
No, I just was thinking like, wow, you are very Scandinavian. I love that you have some Baltic, Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia.
That's so exciting.
We haven't been to any of those countries. Okay, this is fun. Okay, let's do mine now.
That gives me a good reason to go, though.
Okay, my turn.
Sammy's turn. I'm pretty excited. Samantha, you are... Ooh.
59.2% North and West European.
14%
English.
Ooh.
14.6% Iberian.
Wow, from like Spain. Ooh, North African.
5.6% North African.
Oh, yours is so much more fun than mine is.
I know. This is kind of cool, right?
You're spread out all over.
I am. Okay, this is fun. Tunisia, Algeria, so like North African. No Eastern European, sadly. But lots of Western European and North European.
Yeah, a tiny bit of Poland there. Look at that. Just a little tiny.
It's like a touch of
tiny bit.
A little touch of Poland.
It's so cool to see all the different places your family's from, isn't it?
I know. This was super fun to dig into. MyHeritage gives you your origins across 42 different ethnicities and over 2,100 different regions. If you guys are interested or curious in MyHeritage, we're gonna leave a link in the description box below, and you can use our code SNT for free shipping.
Now back to the video. Hidden entrance.
Okay, this is fun. We're always a fan of an Irish pub.
So they have their local vodka here called Goldwasser, and you can see the little golden speckles inside.
It looks so
I'm choking on the golden flake.
It looks so thick. That was not what I expected. It's better than I expected. I thought it was gonna taste like rubbing alcohol.
Oh, it's high quality stuff.
That is really good. Okay, I mean it's strong, obviously strong liquor, but it's almost, it has a sweet flavor to it. I'm gonna stick to my lemonade alcohol. I like lemon vodka. It tastes like lemonade.
All the golden speckles in one shot. Delicious start. I think we're gonna go to another bar. Let's head out.
Okay, so we were walking out and I was asking Tommy like, hey, how long is the game? He said, oh, it's 90 minutes. I'm not a sports fan. Tommy's a sports fan in this relationship, but I'm gonna need a coffee before we continue because my bedtime is 9 o'clock and this thing doesn't start until 8:30. Alfredo.
Yours looks delicious.
I know, it looks so good, right? This is the elixir of life going into us for the evening festivities.
That was an awesome pick-me-up. Now let's go get a couple beers. This old town is so pretty, it does not get old, does it?
I know. It's probably one of the prettiest old towns we've ever seen,
Oh,
right?
yeah, for sure, 100%. We just got here to Underbeer. They have over 100 craft beers. I like what the menu says. It says, decide what you'd like to have, describe that to us, come with us to the fridge, try it, drink it, and order another. So I'm gonna describe what I want, which is a hoppy, dry IPA, and see what they got. Okay, tell me what just happened with the waiter.
Oh,
he was so cute.
He was so cute because Tommy and I were going to order a beer, and I said, I think I'll just share with Tommy. Then I was like, oh, I'll order my own. I'll take a small one. He's like, no, we only have big beers in Poland. And I was like, oh, okay, I'll take a big beer.
He's like, we're in Poland. We only have big beers.
Yeah, that's cute. So I'm getting my own big beer. Okay.
Thank you, brother.
Okay.
It's not dirty, just cold.
Freshly washed. Thank you.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you, man.
I think this is local.
Yeah, you got the local one. Nice.
Yeah, what'd you get?
So it's pretty legit. I found a hazy IPA called El Fruity. It is a Polish beer. I don't think it's from here, but it's Polish. Tulekia for the victory tonight, huh?
Okay. I like mine.
Woo, that's fruity. It's like apricot juice. That's what it tastes like. Okay, we're officially ready for the game. We're gonna head there now. It takes about 30 minutes from Old Town to get to the stadium. We gotta hustle up. We don't want to be late. Hustle, hustle. It's a busy evening.
I'm out of breath. We made it with a couple of minutes to spare, by the way. The coffee hit me so right, though, because I'm like, woo, energy. Was cheerleader energy.
I want to hear your cheerleader.
Apparently.
We just got off at the stadium. I am so psyched. You ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready to figure out what kind of food stands they have in there, because I'm kind of hungry.
Sammy's more worried about the food than the actual match.
I have lots of other priorities.
This stadium is humongous. What do you think, baby? Look how pretty this is. What a beautiful stadium, right?
I know. I don't know what to compare it to, but yeah. This is like the closest we've been to the, whatever that's called, field.
Yes, thank you for the ticketeers for recommending these seats.
The ticketeers.
You like that?
The ticketeers. What is that thing called? The field? The pitch? The pitch.
Nice.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so proud of you. Can we give me some love after that?
We have options. Popcorn or hot dog? Popcorn it is.
Sammy's so hungry she can help herself. First thing is food.
Popcorn. Okay, we just went to concession. We got a water for hydration. There's no alcohol being served here, which is great. We don't need any more. We got some nachos with this like mayo dip. It's not good, but the chips are great. And then the star of the show here, people, is the popcorn. It is salty, buttery, and delicious.
What a great atmosphere, right?
I know, it's so fun.
They're so loud. This beats American sports by just a little bit. Polish fans are living up to the hype. I read so many good things how crazy they are.
It is so loud.
It's pretty crazy here. What a great atmosphere. This is awesome.
Yeah.
And it starts again. They're non-stop, baby.
They know all the chants and cheers and everything. It's crazy.
It is 0-0, but it does not seem that way. It has been so exciting and thrilling. Never been to a sports match that's been this intense. What an awesome time. smoky over there. They can't see you with anything.
It's so smoky.
So badass.
That's wild. That would never be allowed in the US.
The football players can hardly see. It's so smoky on the field now too.
It's so smoky.
It's so wild they allow that to happen. Fun for us though.
Yeah, super fun.
Make sure you guys go to a football game when in Poland. This is amazing.
Yeah, worth the $8 ticket for sure.
Oh yeah. 8 minutes, it's getting wild in here. You'd think the fans would be getting more tired, but it seems they're getting more hyped up the longer the game. So what'd you think of your first European soccer match?
It was so fun. The energy was so great. I'm glad we went. I was into it.
You don't even have to be into sports to enjoy an event
You
like
don't.
this. It's all about the atmosphere.
Yeah, it was fun. It was such a different thing for us to do too.
Oh yeah, I'm so glad we come. Hopefully more sports events in the future.
Yeah, that was fun.
I could get used to this for sure.
Yeah, but like pre-gaming, like the bar hopping coffee shops, and then getting here. It was just the whole experience was really fun. So
I hope you guys enjoyed it. Something new from us. Hopefully you guys watch it so we can make more of these.
yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you. We'll see you guys in the next one.